Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to make an ATS-friendly resume in 2025. So the first thing that you need to do is to open a website named Tubely, and I'll see you from here. After that, you need to log in or sign up to a new account from here. So you can just sign in with Google. So after you sign up or sign into your account, you need to click on Start with Free. After that, from here, you can actually just input your information manually, so this website can generate you your own resume perfectly. Or you can actually just go to LinkedIn from here and go to your LinkedIn account. So from your profile, you need to go to resources and click on save to PDF. Now after you download your LinkedIn profile information, you need to just go to Tubely, and again, you can just click on your profile on the down left corner and then click on your profile. Now from here, you can click on the three dots from here and click on import LinkedIn. Now you need to upload the same PDF that you have got from LinkedIn. After you do that, it will fetch all of your information into the website and it can generate your resume accurately. So after that, you need to go to jobs and gigs section, and from here you will find a lot of jobs that match your profile. After you do so, you will find a generate button to generate your resume for that specific job. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.